Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. Now if you want to find out more, you know what to do, stick around. And I am your host Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget. And my co-host is Shoshana of All Things Shoshana. And today's episode title is Spring Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2024. Now we have simple rules, and our rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, decorate your fireplace, bookshelf, or cabinet for fall. Number 3, use the title Spring Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2024. Number 4, mention all hosts and co-hosts channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, you must be a subscriber to our channel. Number 6, use the hashtag Spring Fireplace 2024 in your title and your description. And number 7 is a twist. You must include one candle in your display. Number 8, there will be a playlist available for you to add your videos. And number 9, have fun. And your upload date is March 19th, 2024. The times are 4:45 p.m. Central and 5:45 Eastern Standard. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.